like and subscribe. What useless thing do you excel at? Facial recognition. Some profs from the UK developed a test to study it. I'm in the top 0.1% apparently. I've recognized people I stood in line at a Starbucks beside years later, while they were zipping by in a car. I have not found a use for this. Edit. Greenwich University is where the study was done. I can win a staring contest against anyone. I consecutively beat 6 people without a break. I've held my eyes open for about 10 minutes without blinking. I've made people uncomfortable in every sense of the word. I can take a in under a minute. Semicolon. Semicolon. Edit. Why always most upvoted posts need to be about or other weird stuff XD. Reads this during a 15-minute. I can click my tongue really loudly. Word searches. F vertical bar B vertical bar S vertical bar U vertical bar D vertical bar A vertical bar K. S vertical bar U vertical bar G vertical bar Y vertical bar I vertical bar S vertical bar G. F vertical bar S vertical bar C vertical bar C vertical bar S vertical bar W vertical bar Y. D vertical bar A vertical bar W vertical bar K vertical bar A vertical bar S vertical bar S. G vertical bar D vertical bar Q vertical bar V vertical bar Y vertical bar D vertical bar H. H vertical bar E vertical bar S vertical bar B vertical bar E vertical bar O vertical bar P. U vertical bar T vertical bar K vertical bar L vertical bar O vertical bar W vertical bar U. Using my toes lol. I can pick anything up with them. I can even write better with my weak foot better than with my weak hand. I'm pretty sure you could turn that into cash somewhere on the internet. Identifying make, model and production year of various cars. And saying random words backwards. Okay, so say stun seed backwards. I can clap really fast. Is it fast enough to cook chicken? Coming up with nonsense song parodies, based on what I'm doing. Knowing the time without having a watch / looking at my phone. I'm really good at sliding on floors. I'm over 10,000 slides without falling. I read that as useless Excel thing, so my answer is concatenate. Retaining loads of absolutely useless information. It is my true talent, but a waste of brain power. Remembering useless and obscure information from video games I've played over 20 years ago. I'm very efficient at not caring. I can control any random bonus I get in public. I can make it stop through my sheer force of will. That, and occasionally I draw kinda pretty flowers with my hands. Any random bonus in public. Even other PR players. That is impressive. According to my friends I'm Nostradamus when it comes to predicting events in TV or movies. It's gotten to the point where my best friend and I will make a game out of it. Losing my train of thought to the point where I have no memory of how I reach the subject I'm at when I realize it. I thrive at looking busy at work while doing absolutely nothing. Memorizing songs after just listen to them once. I can 360 adeg flip a TV remote in one hand and catch it so that it's pointing at the TV again, like 20 plus times in a row. Sounds like you have good remote control. Touching my tongue to my nose, however this has gotten me a free drink at a bar. Vibrating my eardrums. Flying aircraft in video games. I can flip water bottles, beer bottles, pencils, and I haven't had much practice, but also an axe, without dropping them. Remembering birthdays. I remember people's birthdays, even if I haven't talked to them in over 5 years. Long division. Procrastination. I can connect to every social group but only on the very first level. The moment a slightly deeper conversation occurs I am out and cannot connect anymore. I don't connect to many social groups until it gets to a deep level, and then it's my time to shine. Otherwise I sit quietly and observe. I can't do small talk to save my life. I'm up apparently. I'm excellent at finding four-leafed clover. Edit. Found one just now waking the dog. I have a pic, but seems I cannot post that here. Learning something fast, but not good enough to excel in it. I've learned basic guitar, piano, cooking, drawing, basketball, shooting, video games on my own. I never get really good at it, but I can do it. Except maybe dancing. I just look bad when I dance. Burping. I win burping contests against people who say they never lose a burping contest. Being tired 100% of the time. Being able to swallow 7 to 8 painkillers in one go. Wait. You okay there, bro? I have incredibly good spatial awareness and play games blindfolded for fun sometimes. Tying a cherry stem into a knot using only my tongue. Making paper cranes. Once I made 1,000 paper cranes and put them in a big jar. I can clench my anus to the point where my cheeks look like a neutron star. Flags. I know flags and can describe them from memory. You've been visited by the ghost of a very important man. Pay your respects by liking and subscribing, and he'll grant you 3 weeks of good luck. 3 weeks of good